If you want to customize the control center or quick settings on the Redmi A7 Pro, here's what you can do. So first of all, if you have this alt style, you can just go to the last page and you can tap on edit. And then in here we can just press and hold anything that we have in here in order to arrange, remove or add stuff. So for example, I can just drag this location services over here to the bottom side to remove it from the control center. And then I can also just press and hold my finger on something that is not added to grab it to the upper side over here to add it to the list. Of course, we can also change the order of these buttons as well. You can also tap on reset to restore the default list of options and the default order as well, of course. But besides that, we can change the style of the control center. If you go to settings, then over here we have notifications and status bar. Then here at the bottom we have the control center style, and you can switch to the new version, which separates notifications and quick settings. So now you can swipe down on the right side of the phone, from the top of course, to access the control center. And in here, if you want to customize it, then you have to go all the way to the bottom to find this edit button. Here we can show or hide the icon labels, so you can add names to these buttons. We can easily remove stuff from this list, add stuff, and rearrange pretty much the same way as we did in the case of the alt style. And if you want to save your changes, just use this check in the upper right corner. Leave a like and subscribe.